Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert images or PDF to PowerPoint files on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to have the app called Cam Scanner downloaded. Go to App Store. If you don't have the app yet, you're gonna click on and search for Cam Scanner and then have this app downloaded. This app is very useful because there are a lot of features in this app. So once you have the app downloaded, you can click on the app and then go to the tools section, and under convert you will see something called to PowerPoint. You just have to click on to PowerPoint and then import or scan a document, and that document will translate to a PowerPoint file. But that is how you can scan a document and then convert them to PowerPoint.